Well, hello, welcome back, and good morning to good morning. Good morning, not good morning, little rascally rabbit. All right, this is an excellent comment from Francis. Hello, Francis. He says, "Hi, Toss. I have an Acer Chromebook Spin 713, which is the predecessor to the Spin 714 that you mentioned. It is an excellent little machine with an Intel Core i5 chip, so speedy with a great display screen. Comparison reviews between the Spin 713 714 seem to suggest that the 713 is better overall, but the 714 is still a great device. Okay. I also have a Google Pixelbook, the original one. Not the newer Pixelbook Go, which has an Intel Core i7, albeit an older one. I bought them secondhand, refurbished for around $300 each. Nice. I use both of them all the time, one in the sitting room and one in the bedroom. Okay. Let's see. With the massively high energy bills in Europe and specifically the UK, you live in Scotland, all right? I do not notice the cost of running the Chromebooks, but the cost of running my desktop computer with 3 screens is very noticeable. Energy savings are another consideration for the Chromebooks. Thank you, Francis. I never really thought about the energy savings, but yeah, that is true. Well, there you have it. The power of a Chromebook, powered by a modified form of Linux. If you don't have a Chromebook, you should try one if you are curious about all this. Thank you, Francis. I'll catch you on the next one. And good morning to all. Bye.